So the banks are lending again, are they? Well, the reality is for years they stopped lending. I mean, they told us that they were lending, but they weren't really. The reality now is that they have started lending again, but it's become a really tight process where, it's really quite strict in terms of the criteria of the type of person, the type of house that they will lend to. So the one piece of advice that I would give any client here when it's applying for a mortgage is timing is everything. The banks are quite strict now in terms of having very recent pay slips, very recent bank statements, very recent credit card statements. So what happens is a person will go off and get a credit card statement while the bank statement's getting old, and all of a sudden the process is dragged out and becomes difficult. Now, I suppose by using someone who's a financial advisor, it just allows you to kind of tighten up the whole process. And it's also important in terms of which bank you go to. It's the inside tracker, the knowledge that we would have as financial planners would be to know that the type of house that you're applying for, the type of mortgage that you're applying for, is maybe best received by one lender and not the other. Also, rates come into it. Now, the rates that are being offered by one bank, even a tiny percentage difference over €300,000 can make a huge difference in the amount of money that it costs you on a monthly basis. So my one piece of advice when I'm organising mortgages on behalf of people is we tighten up the timing structure and we apply to the right bank, and that's, I suppose, the benefit of using a financial planner when it comes to a mortgage application.